So, good morning, students. In last lecture, we have done about attitude. Our topic is attitude in job interview. So, basically, positive attitude and negative attitudes are being seen when we compare two individuals. So, generally, during a job interview, what kind of attitude and candidates should be having? That is, they must have a positive approach towards work. They should be having a positive commitment towards their job. So, a company is looking for a candidate who may be positive in every aspects. So today we will understand what are these important things that a candidate should take in mind before generally preparing for any interview or before going for any interview. So positive approach is very important. Every employer expects positive attitude from candidates. During an interview, candidates have in showcase their positivity. There might be some situations where all employer will try to confuse or bring out negativity from the candidates. But at this time, candidate has to be calm and answer his question positively. So generally it happens whenever an interview is being conducted, an employer means a company is expecting from a candidate a positive approach towards works. He should be patient, he should be committed towards work. So they are expecting. So there may be several situations where an interviewer will try to confuse the candidate to bring negativity out of those individuals. But candidate has to remain calm, patient. They have to listen to the questions and they have to respond accordingly, right, in a very smart way. So positive approach generally will lead to a greater success. When we say about attitude, a person having positive approach towards work may lead to a path of a success, right? So attitude, it's very necessary in today's life, today's 21st century. So now there are several questions that a candidate should ask to himself or herself before attending to any interview, right? These questions we will highlight. First is introduce yourself. So this is very common questions which has been asked in interview, right? Introduce yourself. This is the first questions an employer will ask to a candidate. So your introduction should be in a such a way that will highlight an amount of positive approach towards the general environment, towards the industry. So during an interview, an employer wants the candidate to introduce themselves. The employer judges the confidence level of candidate through these questions. So what things they will get, that is confidence, right? How a candidate is confident to give answers. So in future also, when my employee will be confident, they will better represent my company in a better way, right? So introducing yourself is the first question an employer is asking, where it looks about the positivity, the confidence in a candidate. But we can say at the same time, overconfidence doesn't bring anything. So it is seen. Confidence should be there. A candidate should be confident, but it should not be overconfidence. So that is the first questions that is asked in interview. Second questions that is asked in interview are you confident of handling this position? It means an employer will be interested in asking a candidate that you have came for an interview for certain post. Example, there is an interview of a marketing manager in Reliance Industries. 250 candidates attend that interview. The interviewer will ask to all the candidates that how you will justify these positions that you are perfect for this, right? So you should answer accordingly that this job is especially been made for me. I am very expert in doing this type of job, right? So answer should be whether the job which you are looking for, you possess that skill to work or not, right? So that is the second question. Are you confident of handling this job? So confidence, right? In the first question they are looking for the confidence. Second questions also, they frankly ask you whether or why we recruit you in this position. Third question is, why should you be hired, right? So that is the second question. Usually an interviewer will ask that whether or why we will hire you or we should hire you. That is a question, right? So when you go to attend any questions of an interviewer, they will ask that why we hire you, what is the specialty, what is the expertise in you. So in that questions you have to answer about your skills, that sir, madam, I am very profound to do certain types of jobs which is fit for this particular post, right? So I am a perfect candidate for that, right? So as a fresher, they are expecting that if we hire an individual, that how it is going to help our companies and its overall performance. So that is the third question, why we should hire you. Fourth question, what are you most passionate about? Passion means what? It means that the earnest desire to do certain things. Example, in my college days, right, if my goal is to crack any competitive exams, right, then my goal is to crack any competitive exam. I am very passionate about that, means my desire is very strong, right? I am fond of doing such kind of thing, and I am expert in doing this thing, right? So that will made you or will lead to a greater success. So what are your passion, right? What you do, what you like, that is where employer is going to look for, that what things or what expertise the candidate is ahead. So this is very likely question. The employer wants to know what motivates you to engage in your work, right? So suppose example, if I am fond of a music, if I am fond of singing, if I am fond of playing cricket, if I am expertise in doing certain things, event management, then that kind of responsibility will be given to the candidate in future. So candidate has to stick to his answer within the realms of working world, right? The answer should be related to his field of work. Mentioning about outside activity will confuse the interviewer as to whether you are interested in your job or not, right? So they are looking for certain types of skills. You should be highlighting those skills. Fifth question that should be asked is, what are your greatest strength and weakness, right? So strength and weakness, that is positive as well as negative point of a candidate. So every individual will have its strength and weakness, right? I have already told you to make a CV, right, resume to all the students, where I have said that every student has to write their strength and weaknesses. Strength means in which particular activities you are ahead, right? For example, if I am good in sports, if I am good in practical subjects, if I am good in economics, right? So certain things where you can highlight yourself. So what is your strength and what is your weakness? Weakness means which things are there, which is your weakness, right? So in weakness also you should be very smart to answer. In your resume also your weakness should be like, example, I am very workaholic person, right? I would like to work. I like to be busy in or engage myself in certain new projects or new activities, right? So that is a positive point. Weaknesses, you have to convert your weaknesses into strength. Sixth question is, tell us something about your failures. So that is a sixth question. The interviewer will ask that what were your failures, right? The questions explain how you suffered from bad times and how did you overcome the situation. So interviewer is interested in that what were your failures, and at the same time what you have done to overcome that failure. It means what you have done in terms of your expertise, in terms of your strength, in terms of your schedule, what you have done, what strategies you have used to overcome such work. So that is tell us something about your failures, where interviewer will try to understand about how and candidate is able to handle problematic situations. Seventh question is, to what extent are you reliable? The answer will not be only yes. Your employer wants to know that can you keep your words? Are you ready to work overtime? Or if any responsibility is given when time is needed, you are able to fulfill or not. So that is to what extent you are reliable. It means, suppose if there are situations where you have to work overtime, right? For examples, many companies are there where they also do overtime, or they pay to their employees. So under that situations, my candidate is able to work or not. That is, are you reliable means at what timings you are able to work. Eighth point is, how efficient are you in managing your time? Efficient, that is time management. Examples, every individuals in this world, if I take example of myself or anybody, everybody has got 24 hours. चाहे कोई मुकेश अंबानी है, चाहे बिल गेट्स हो, राइट, या जेफ बेजोस हो, कोई भी रिचेस्ट मैन है, कोई भी पुअर मैन है इन दिस वर्ल्ड, सबके पास 24 आवर्स ही है. 24 आवर्स में ही आपको अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना है, राइट. द डेली शेड्यूल्स व्हाट यू मेक शुड बी ऑफ 24 आवर्स. कितने टाइम सोओगे, कितने टाइम आप किस पे स्पेंड करते हो, वो पूरा टाइम टेबल शेड्यूल फिक्स होना चाहिए. तो कहने का मतलब यही है कि आप कोई भी टाइम को मैनेज करने के लिए कितने सक्षम हो, कितनी इजीली आप कोई पर्टिकुलर वर्क को कर सकते, राइट. So that is managing your time very efficiently, and when you manage your time efficiently, then you are able to do many types of works at the same time, right. So because you know how to manage your time, right. If I take my examples, I am able to do two types of work at the same time, right. अगर मेरे में ये स्किल आ जाए कि मैं दोनों काम एक साथ कर सकूं, तो मेरे लिए टाइम बचेगा, टाइम मैनेजमेंट. How speedier I am. So that is the 8th question. How efficient are you in managing your time? 9th question is, how flexible are you to new situations? That is important question. Flexible means, इसका एग्जाम्पल यही है, इस सबको ये लागू पड़ता है. फ्लेक्सिबल का मतलब होता है कि हाउ फ्लेक्सिबल यू आर टू न्यू सिचुएशंस. अगर कोई भी न्यू सिचुएशंस आ जाती है, राइट, उसके लिए आप कितने तैयार हो. मैं उसका एक एग्जांपल दे सकता हूँ कि सपोज मैंने अपना 12th 2002 में कंप्लीट किया है, तो उस समय जो सिलेबस था, हो सकता है कि आज के सिलेबस में काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंजेस आ गए हो, राइट. मेनी न्यू थिंग्स आर बीन एडेड. चेंजेस आते जाएंगे हर साल. हमने अभी जो सिलेबस आया होगा, हो सकता है उसमें कई चीज़ें हमारे लिए नई है, पर अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि मैं ये नई चीज़ें नहीं सीखूँगा, राइट, तो मेरा डेवलपमेंट कभी नहीं होगा. तो मुझे अपना डेवलपमेंट अगर करना है, देन आई हैव टू लर्न न्यू एंड न्यू थिंग्स ईच एंड एवरी डे. जिस तरह से एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल में डेली के डेली अपडेट्स आते हैं, अगर आप अपडेट नहीं करोगे, देन सर्टन एप्लीकेशंस विल नॉट वर्क इन योर मोबाइल फ़ोन. तो ये लॉजिकल है, राइट. इट्स लॉजिकल दैट you have to remain update with new skills, new learning. तो वही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंटरव्यूअर आपसे पूछेगा कि whether you are ready for that thing or not, right. So it is very interesting. How flexible are you to the new situations? 10th point is how do you react to orders, right? Examples, आपका बॉस है तो बॉस कोई भी काम देता है तो उस काम को कैसे करते हो, बॉस के साथ कैसे बिहेवियर रहता है आपका, दैट ऑल थिंग्स इट मीन्स हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू द ऑर्डर्स, right? That is also an important thing. 11th point is tell us, or 11th question that will be asked in interview, tell us something interesting about yourself, right? कुछ ऐसा बताओ अपने बारे में जो कि इंटरेस्टिंग हो, राइट? हमने थ्रू रेज्यूमे इतना तो हमने जान लिया कि आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन ये है, आप ये करते हैं, उसके साथ भी हम इस चीज़ में भी इंटरेस्टेड है कि आप में क्या ऐसा है नया, दैट शुड बी लर्न, दैट इज लर्न एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आई एम ए प्रोफेसर, आई एम ए बिजनेसमैन, एट द सेम टाइम्स आई लव गोइंग टू जिम, राइट? फिटनेस, आई माई सेल्फ am a fitness trainer. So if we say that suppose this is the interesting thing which is in me, right? Apart from these studies, I also do many other things. I love that. So what you do interesting in you? That is 11th point. 12th point is how do you rate yourself? Will you give 10 out of 10? अगर मैं ये पूछूं कि आप अपने आप को रेट करो, इसका मतलब है 10 में से मार्क आपको देने हैं, तो हाउ मच मार्क यू शुड गेट, राइट? सो दैट आंसर शुड बी 10 out of 10. आई विल से आई विल रेट माई सेल्फ 10 out of 10 बिकॉज आई नो एवरीथिंग, और आई कैन से ए वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट आंसर, राइट? दैट आई मे रेट लाइक दिस. 13 point is what is the goal of your life? गोल ऑफ योर लाइफ. गोल क्या होता है? व्हाट इज अ गोल? ए पर्सन इज हैविंग ए गोल. मुझे ये बनना है, आई हैव टू बिकम दिस इन फ्यूचर, राइट? आफ्टर माई BBA आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन ए बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. आफ्टर BBA आई वॉन्ट टू ओपन माई रेस्टोरेंट, राइट? माई गोल इज टू गो इन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटिंग फील्ड. आई हैव टू डू बिजनेस, आई हैव टू बिकम ए बिजनेसमैन. सो डिफरेंट गोल्स आर देयर. This goal should be very clear. 14th point is what will be your strategy to handle stress at workplace? स्ट्रेस को किस तरह से आप हैंडल कर सकते हो? तो स्ट्रेस में वो लोग यही जानना चाहते हैं, राइट? इफ देयर इज अ वर्कलोड आप फुलफिल कर पाते हो, नहीं कर पाते हो. इट मीन्स वेदर यू आर एबल टू फुलफिल दैट वर्कलोड विच इज गिवन टू यू इन एन एक्स्ट्रा फॉर्म, वेदर यू आर एबल टू फुलफिल इट और नॉट, राइट? तो इंटरव्यूअर दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट इनफ, उनको चाहिए कि मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में कोई काम करने वाला होना चाहिए, तो वो उस क्वालिटीज़ का होना चाहिए, वही मैं ढूंढूंगा, वही उनसे पूछूंगा. दैट इज अ सिंपल थिंग, राइट? व्हाट विल बी strategy to handle stress at the workplace? Some companies conduct stress interview in order to judge the preparedness of the candidate to face similar situation. In this type of interview, the candidates is given a stress event. The employer will get to know the strategies employed by the candidate in handling stressful situation. So there are many situations where an organizations will conduct a stress interview, right? Meaning of a stress interview is that they will put you in a particular situations which is so much stressful that they want to know about what kind of strategies you use to overcome such kind of confusion. किस तरह से हैंडल कर सकते हो स्ट्रेस, राइट? बेटर वे you are able to conduct that stress, then you would be getting 10 out of 10 marks for that. 15th question is what salaries you will expect? ये जो एक मेन थिंग है, कितनी सैलरी लोगे भैया? 3 Idiots movie you might have watched. In that, right, you have seen that one of the character, right, 3 characters are there in 3 Idiots. One was played by Amir Khan, another was Madhavan, and third one was Joshi, Sarman Joshi. So Sarman Joshi and all these three peoples are a very good friend, and two of them, that is Madhavan and Sarman Joshi, both of them were average students, and the other person, Amir Khan, was the expertise in his field. But we have seen that at the last, during the last movie scenes, it was an interview which was being conducted by a company where Sarman Joshi have broke its leg and it gone for the interview, where interviewer asked many stressful situations, right? And he frankly answered the thing. Answered दिया बहुत frankly. After that, lastly, when the interviewer, right, asks salary कितना लोगे भैया, it means how much salary you will take, right? So usually a company is interested in asking yourself कि what salaries you are going to expect, right? हम लोग 20,000 ही दे सकते हैं, तो हम भी तो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि आप कितनी लोगे. What's your value? 16th point is question. Do you want to work on long term or short term basis? The question aims at understanding the mental frame of the candidate. The interviewer wants to know as to whether the candidate would work for longer period or shorter period of time. So longer period of, that is a question which is being asked to know about how much overtime you can work for. 17th question is, what is your opinion about your former colleague? So this question aims at testing attitude of the candidate. The candidate's response to these questions will be enable the interviewer to judge level of flexibility and tolerance of the candidate. So colleague जो है, colleague means a person who is working with you. So what is your behavior with them, right? What is your attitude towards your colleague? 8th point is, would you like to clarify any doubts? Lastly, हम कैंडिडेट से ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि is any doubts which is remaining, so you can ask, right? So interviewer is a two-way process. Interview is a two-way process. It is not just the interviewer asking question to the candidate. Candidate can also ask question to the interviewers in order to understand his job profile, career prospects, etc. This demonstrates the interest of the candidate in the organization. Right? So these are the 18 questions which is being asked in the interviewer. तो कोई भी इंटरव्यू देने जाएगा, राइट? सो उनको ये बेसिकली 18 क्वेश्चन जो है हम उसको कह सकते हैं फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सो थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. हैव ए नाइस डे.